Snowmobile hoods for sale. 98 Yamaha SRX 600, 98.99 ZL 500 EFI carb, Yamaha mountain backs, Indy RMK 700 Gen 2, VMAX SX 600 triple, Indy RMK 600 wedge chassis, another Yamaha 600 triple, 700 VMAX SX, 600 VMAX SX, Polaris IQ wide track hood, 550 Trail Touring Gen 2 chassis, 02 MXZ 800. And I got some more over here. XE 599 Gen 2. Mountain SRX 700. Indy XCF wedge chassis. Evolved chassis Indy 500. And a ZR 580 94, 95, 96. These are just a few of the hoods we have for sale. Sorry about that. Those are just a few of the hoods we have for sale. Call us if you're interested, 218-844-4968.